Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make dal tarka. You can also call it dal fry. And here I'm using yellow lentils. You can enjoy this with the rice or with the flatbread or the roti as you like. So here I'm taking 3 cups of yellow lentils. I'm going to wash it and soak it in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that I'm adding here oil in my pan. Now I'm adding my chopped onion. I'll saute the onion for a minute or two. Now I'm adding here red chilies. This is fresh red chili. I have chopped it into slices. Ginger garlic paste. Saute it. Once it starts to crackle or it will cook for a minute or two, then you are going to add in here tomatoes. I have added here 1 big size tomato that I have cut into nicely fine chopped pieces. Now I am adding here coriander, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric and salt. I'm not adding a lot of red chili powder because the red hot chilies are actually really hot and I don't want the spices to overpower the flavor of lentil. Here I am adding some water. This will help the spices to cook. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated. Here I have added coriander. Now I am adding here my soaked lentils. I'm going to give everything a good mix. Now I am adding here almost 3 cups of water, 3 to 4 cups. Mix it well, cover it and let it cook until the lentils become soft or completely cooked. As you can see, the lentils are cooked. Now in another saucepan, I added here butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, some olive oil so the butter will not get burned. In this I'm going to add some chopped garlic, coriander, red chilies, fresh red chilies that I have chopped into slices, cumin, mustard seed, coriander leaves, and I'm going to saute it. I have also added here paprika, or you can add red chili only for the color. So I added paprika here. It will give a nice red color to our tarka. Cook everything until you feel the fragrance of all the spices and the garlic turns brown. Now pour it onto your dal. Enjoy it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.